Today, we're diving into all the buzz surrounding Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. The excitement is through the roof, and we're here to break down everything you need to know about the new foldable phones, earbuds, smartwatches, and even a smart ring. So let's get started. Samsung is gearing up for its big Galaxy Unpacked event next week, and they're already teasing it in a big way. Giant digital billboards are popping up in major cities like New York, Dubai, London, Bangkok, Warsaw, Tokyo, and Seoul. These billboards are promoting the launch of the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 foldable smartphones with the message Galaxy AI is here. This hints at some exciting new AI features that first appeared on the Galaxy S24 series earlier this year. So what can we expect from these new foldable phones? If you're eager to learn more about the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6, you're in luck. We've got some juicy details about the hardware specs. According to reliable source Ishan Agarwal, the Z Flip 6 will feature a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with full HD plus resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It's set to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, with 12 GB of RAM and storage options of either 256 GB or 512 GB. That's a bump up from the 8 GB RAM in last year's Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 will also have a 50-megapixel main rear camera with an f/1.8 aperture, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with an f/2.2 aperture, and a 10-megapixel front-facing camera with an f/2.2 aperture. The phone's dimensions are reportedly 165.2 x 71.7 x 7.4 millimeters, making it slightly thicker than its predecessor, and will be powered by a 4000 mAh battery with support for fast charging. And for the Z Fold 6 fans, Even Blast has shared some stunning renders of the phone in navy, pink, and silver shadow. Let's take a look at these gorgeous designs. This Unpacked event is expected to be one of Samsung's busiest ever. While they haven't revealed when these new devices will go on sale, they've already opened pre-reservations. If you're thinking about picking up any of the new products, you can sign up with your name and email address to get a $50 credit. This credit can be used to buy the new devices at a discount from Samsung's official store. Plus, there's a sweepstakes contest where you could win a massive $5,000 credit, which is almost enough to get all the new devices for free. Now let's talk about the other exciting products Samsung is set to unveil. New leaks are giving us a closer look at the Galaxy Watch Ultra, Watch 7, and Buds 3, thanks to Evan Blass on Twitter and his Substack newsletter. These images provide a better view of the upcoming Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Watch 7, Galaxy Buds 3, and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. While the images don't reveal a lot of new information, they do give us a better idea of what these devices will look like. The Galaxy Watch Ultra and Watch 7 are expected to bring some exciting new features, and the Buds 3 and Buds 3 Pro are set to enhance our audio experience. That's it for today's video. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event? Are you excited about the new foldable phones, smartwatches, or earbuds? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Warsaw also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing the Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.